We just canoed across Pyramid Lake all, all the way to the other side and came onto this mini beach. Got this set up for camera and stuff. So there's not much going on. There's a little trail here that goes a little bit deep into the woods. Didn't really get to explore it much just now. It's a tiny trail, I guess. I'm hoping to see a grizzly or at least a black bear. It's nice hearing that water. Obviously somebody was here and it just kept going or something, but I don't want to go too deep in. I'll stay close to the shore because we're gonna be canoeing out again. Yeah. So this is Pyramid Lake in Jasper, Alberta, and it's pretty awesome, pretty windy. Waves are pretty strong in the middle, so you really need to be skilled, fairly skilled to know how to handle waves. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. It was fun, and yeah, it's pretty cool being out here.